Hey guys, it's Joanna here. Are you someone that would skip your warm-up and also cool down? Well guys, it is extremely important to get your warm-up done before your workout. Warming up will help you to slowly increase your heart rate and also blood circulation in your body. It will also help you to loosen up your joints and prevent any unwanted injuries. After your workout, you have to cool down and bring your heart rate back down. This will help to relax the muscles and also help with quicker muscle recovery. So it doesn't have to be long. I'm going to show you a really quick 5-minute warm-up and also a really quick 5-minute cool down. So do this warm-up before your workout and also end it with the cool down. Right, so the first part of the warm-up will be some really gentle cardio. Bodyweight cardio just to get the blood in your body flowing, and we will end with some dynamic stretches, okay? So each workout will be for 30 seconds long. So let's start with jogging on the spot. So just gently jog on the spot and just really breathe in and breathe out, okay? Nothing too intense, it's just to really get your legs muscle ready and also just loosen up the top. Really gentle jogging on the spot. If you do have knee injuries, then what you can do is just march on the spot, okay? Choose your option. So gentle jog on the spot, breathe in and breathe out. And the second workout, we want to move on to jumping jacks, okay? To really stretch your arms as well. So jumping jacks, again, these are all part of the warm-up. So out and in, remember to keep your knees bent slightly, okay? Really stretch up and feel your shoulders and your arms working as well. Good. Keep going. This is only your first minute. By now, you should feel your heart rate start to increase slightly. Next workout, high knees, okay? So bring your knees up and just tap and feel your quads, your hamstrings, all starting to really getting a little bit tired, and you should feel the burning sensation as well. So bring it up and point it down. Good. And the next workout will be a butt kick. All right, few more. And let's get into butt kick. So reverse and just kick back, okay? Reverse and kick. Bring your heels to your butt. Good, and just relax your upper body. Butt kick. My heart rate is going up. I'm panting, and this is how you should be feeling as well. Good, butt kick. Woo. Feel your heart rate. Remember, pace your breathing. And the next will be cross kicks, okay? So just stand, arms out. I want you to cross and reach. Good. This is to stretch your hamstrings out. Good. So keep your hands by your side and bring your legs to your hands. Good. Cross and tap. Cross and touch. If this is too difficult, then you can bend your knees slightly. Good. Feel your hamstrings being stretched out. And we want to move on to some really gentle squats. Shoulder width apart, toes pointed forward, and squat. Good. And just give me a nice squat. The first few reps will be tougher, but the more you do it, you will feel that you can go deeper. Okay, so squat deeper and go lower. Remember to always keep your chest upright. Good. Feel your butt muscles, squeeze it right at the top. Very good, squeeze it. Last one. And now let's get into a lunge and reach. Good, again, working on your lower body, opening up the hip flexors, opening up the hips, and also opening up your chest and reaching up. Good. Alternate. Very good. Reach down, reach and look up. Feel your lower back being stretched out at the same time. Nice. Few more. Good. Keep going. And now let's get into groiners. Down onto the floor. Again, opening up the hip flexor and stretching on the inner thighs. Alternate, reach, and feel your inner thighs being stretched out. Look up, and you will feel your back and your lower back as well. Keep going. Last few more. Breathe, pace your breathing. This is just your warm-up. And the final one will be inchworm. So start right at the top, okay? I want you to slowly inch forward. Keep your knees straight, okay? It's to stretch out your hamstring. Reach at the plank, go back, keeping your knees straight and come back up. Good. Let's go again. Reach forward, legs straight, knees straight. Feel your hamstrings into a plank position and go back. Very good. Up. Let's do this for 1 minute. Keep going. Stretch out and go back. Straight up and keep going. Give me a few more. Up and back down. Very good. Into a solid plank, feel your upper body strength and back up. If you want to challenge yourself, you can even do a push-up right at the end. So well done, guys. That was your 5-minute warm-up. Now you can go and get your entire 1 hour or 45 minutes of solid workout done, okay? Drink some water and get your workout done. Well done on your workout. Your heart rate should still be slightly high. So let's cool down and bring your heart rate back down, okay? So let's start with the first really gentle stretch, which is a child's pose. So spread your knees slightly, okay? Sit on your butt and just stretch it out. And just relax. Cooling down, it's all about bringing your heart rate back down, okay? So no stretch, just relax. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. Feel your back being stretched out and just extend and reach as far forward as you can, okay? Very good. And the next workout, we want to get into Cobra. So lie on your chest, hands by your chest, and just push up and look up. Again, no tension. It's all about relaxing, no tension on your body at all. And just reach up, squeeze your lower back, roll your shoulders, relax your shoulders, push your shoulders down, look up, and stretch. Good. And next, let's get into downwards dog. Okay, so pike your butt up and really push your heels down onto the mat, pressing against the mat, flattening your lower back, flattening your back, and just look between your legs, okay? If you can't bring your heels down, what you can do is do walking dog, okay? So bring your heels up and down one at a time. Very good. And now let's step your right leg forward and let's get into a hip flexor stretch. Good. What I want you to do is just to push your hip flexor forward. So you should feel your left hip flexor being stretched out, okay? So push your body weight forward and feel your left hip flexor, all right? So it's like a lunge position, but resting your knees on the mat. Very, very good. Keep stretching. Good. And now let's get into glute stretch. Bend your right leg, okay? 90 degrees and just reach forward. Go as far forward and as low as you can. You should feel your glutes being stretched out. If this is too difficult, then start here, okay? Eventually, inch forward, little by little. And again, relax your upper body. Breathe into your muscles. That's how you can keep stretching. Very good. And now, what I want you to do is just get up and let's switch side. So, left leg forward. And now the focus is to stretch on your right hip flexor. Again, just lean and push your body forward. Very good. And just relax. If you want to, you can even stretch up and breathe in, okay? Stretch up and reach up to stretch your upper body as well. Very good. Now let's repeat. Bend your left leg, okay? Glute stretch and reach forward. The goal is to bring your glutes, your butt muscles, down and pushing against the mat. Very good. And just relax your upper body, okay? Little by little. And the next stretch is to get into a side stretch. So these are all static stretches. All right, good. Now push up. Bring your both legs forward. Bring your right leg across. And just twist and look the opposite side, okay? Keeping your back flat. And look the opposite side. Feel the side of your body being stretched out. Very good. Stretch it. And just twist and look as far back as you can. Keeping your back flat and support with your arm. Good. The other way. So left, cross, and just pushing, keeping your back flat, feeling the side being stretched out. Very good. Keep stretching, breathe in, and breathe out. So avoid any bouncing movement. Keep going. Few more. You should feel that your heart rate is slowly coming back down. All right, now I want you to split slightly, okay? Just split as far as you can. You don't have to push yourself. And all I want you to do is stretch and reach the opposite side, okay? So what you're stretching is your hamstring on your left leg and also the side of your body. So just stretch and reach. Again, it is not about forcing your body. It is about listening to your body and just going as far as you can. And as you practice it and do it at the end of your workout every single day, you will be able to stretch further. Now let's go the opposite side. All right, good. Feel your right hamstring being stretched out. Very good, keep going. Just relax and breathe in. And every time you breathe out, that's when you can go deeper. So as you breathe out, try to stretch a little further. Very good. Keep going. And next, we want to do some upper body stretch. So just sit in a comfortable position and just bring your left shoulder across and just stretch it out, okay? This is to stretch your left shoulder. Again, keep your body upright. Don't hunch. Just keep your body upright and maintain this position. Stretch your left shoulder. Good. And then, you know it, do the opposite side. And now change. Right, and just stretch it across. For those of you who do not do a lot of stretches, you will find that, oh my God, every part of my body is so tight. That's why we have to stretch. And stretching will also help to increase flexibility. If you want better flexibility, if you want to avoid any unwanted injuries, stretch at the end of your workout, okay? It's really relaxing as well. Good. And the final stretch will be tricep stretches, okay? So left, across. I want you to sort of like pull it back, okay? Reach. And just feel your triceps, this part, being stretched out, okay? So reach and keep your back straight as well. Good. All right, no tension. Reach and stretch. Pull on your elbow. Good. Keeping your back straight, stretch. And now let's switch and change side. Very good. Again, remember, pull on your elbow and just reach. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Keep stretching. One final stretch. And slowly release your arms. Well done. So now I want you to just take a few deep breaths, okay? So just breathe in and just sigh out. Good. Again, breathe in, stretch up. One last time, really loud sigh. Let's go. Breathe in and all right, guys, well done. So that was your cool down, okay? Remember, do not skip your warm-up, do not skip your cool down. Every time you do your warm-up, you will be able to perform better because you're prepping your muscles to push even further and even more intense. And again, don't skip your cool down. You will notice that your muscles will recover faster and you will feel better after you do your cool down. So play this video right before your workout, pause it, and then play it again right at the end of your workout. Don't forget to check out my other workout videos right here. Like this video, share this video on, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more workout videos, a lot more workout challenges, and also recipes. And turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. All the best.